Welcome! If you're looking to get notified only when people you follow comment on your Instagram stories, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to fine-tune your Instagram notifications so you only hear from the people who matter most. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. From here, a menu will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy to access all your account controls. This is where you can customize how Instagram interacts with you, including notifications. Next, find and tap on Notifications. This section lets you decide exactly what you want to be notified about, from likes and follows to comments and more. Now, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This is the area that controls notifications for all the activity around your posts and stories. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Story Comments. This is the setting we're looking for. By default, Instagram might notify you about story comments from everyone, or sometimes just from people you follow. To make sure you only get notifications from people you follow, tap on From Profiles I Follow. This way, you'll only be alerted when someone you actually follow leaves a comment on your story. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can keep your notifications focused and avoid getting distracted by comments from strangers or accounts you don't follow. This is a great way to keep your Instagram experience more personal and less cluttered. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.